Great. Thank you, Jenny, and thank you to the SHIP team members across the country for making this event possible. And I also want to thank all of you for joining us today to learn more about Medicare and about the SHIP program more broadly. As Jenny mentioned, the Administration for Community Living, or ACL, is part of the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. ACL was created around the fundamental principle that all people, regardless of age or disability, should be able to live independently and fully participate in their communities. By advocating across the federal government for older adults, people with disabilities, and families and caregivers, funding services and supports provided primarily by networks of community-based organizations, and investing in training, education, research, and innovation, ACL helps make this principle a reality for millions of Americans. ACL was initially established in April of 2012, bringing together federal advocacy for older adults and people with disabilities, along with most federal human service programs for older adults and people with intellectual and developmental disabilities. Missions previously housed in multiple organizations across the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. Our portfolio has grown significantly in the years since, with the transfer of programs from other agencies to ACL. Now ACL's mission is to maximize the independence, well-being, and health of older adults, people with disabilities across the lifespan, and their families and caregivers. And our focus on community living for all. We believe that older adults and people with disabilities have the same opportunities to choose where to live, earn a living, participate in society, and make decisions about their lives. You can learn more about our work at www.acl.gov. ACL's vision is that all people, regardless of age and disability, live with dignity, make their own choices, and participate fully in society. We focus on providing the programs and supports that allow people to live in community because that's what people prefer. It also costs less money, it's a legal right, and everyone benefits when everyone contributes. We support community living by funding the services that help people live independently, investing in research, innovation, training, and education, and advocating for people with disabilities and older adults. ACL believes that home and community-based services and supports should be robust enough that individuals with even the most complex medical and behavioral needs can be appropriately and effectively supported in their own home or other community-based settings. We know this is possible. It has been demonstrated in many communities. In order to accomplish this, ACL provides funding to states to provide services for a broad range of individuals. Our programs support Medicare beneficiaries, such as the event we're having today, older adults, nursing home residents, people who are Medicaid eligible, family caregivers, and younger adults with disabilities. ACL uses a person-centered approach to services, offering a range of community-based services through a network of state and local partners. ACL's programs help older adults and people with disabilities find supports and services they need in order to successfully live in their communities. This is a wide range of services. What you see here on this slide is just the sampling. Services such as Medicare education and counseling, like today's event, meals at home or in community centers, activities at senior centers, transportation services, and assistance with medication management are only a small sample of the services provided by our partner networks. ACL's Eldercare locator is a great place to begin the search for services in your community. Eldercare locator is a nationwide service that connects older adults and their caregivers with trustworthy local support services, including meals, home care, or transportation, or a caregiver needing training, education, or a well-deserved break from caregiving responsibilities. Visit www.eldercaregiver.com I'm sorry, www.eldercare.gov, or call 800-677-1116 to learn more about the services that are available in your community. I want to thank you for allowing me a few moments to share about the services provided by the Administration for Community Living broadly. And at this time, I'm going to turn it over to Kim McKenna, one of our SHIP experts, to dive into Medicare eligibility, enrollment, coverage options, and the coordination with other insurance.